If you want your CapCut export to look smooth, crisp, and professional, especially for gaming clips, action shots, or any fast-moving footage, then exporting in 60 frames per second is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export 60 frames per second in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can lock in the right frame rate before you render your final video. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project dashboard inside CapCut PC and make sure your project is already loaded. Before you export, the first thing you want to do is set the project itself to 60 frames per second. This is important because if your timeline is not set correctly, your final export may not come out as smooth as you want. Now click on an empty gray area outside of the timeline tracks. This clears any clip selection and makes sure you're working with the project settings, rather than editing an individual clip. Once nothing is selected, look at the Details panel in the upper right section of the interface. This is where CapCut stores your project level settings. At the bottom of that details list, you'll see a button labeled Modify. Click that button to open the settings pop-up. In this pop-up, look for the frame rate drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls how many frames per second your project will use. Click the drop-down and select 60 frames per second from the available options. After that, click Save to apply the changes. At this point, your project timeline is locked in at 60 frames per second, which is exactly what you want before exporting. Now that the project settings are configured, it's time to export. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Export button. This opens the Export menu, where you can confirm the final output settings. If for any reason you didn't change the frame rate in the project settings, you can also check the final frame rate parameter in the export window and set that directly to 60 frames per second here as well. Make sure everything else looks good, including the file name, save location, and any quality settings you want to use. Once you've confirmed the frame rate is set to 60 frames per second, go ahead and click the bottom Export button to render your project. CapCut will now process the video and export it with the smoother 60 frames per second playback. And that's it. You've now learned how to export 60 frames per second in CapCut the right way. Setting the timeline to 60 frames per second first, then confirming it again in export, helps make sure you get the smoothest final result possible. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more export settings next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.